Hi, this is John with WTI, and let me tell you about my main toothbrush right now. So I was looking for a toothbrush that was gonna be easy on my teeth. It's not gonna be too hard, and I found this ones that actually the main thing that I like the most about this. All right, the color is cool, but it is infused in charcoal. The the tooth is it just goes so easy on my tooth. Is this toothbrush feels great, it's gonna do the job, and it's durable. It has a great time scraper in the back. Yes, you have to time scrape because it does great for you. So if you're looking for a great toothbrush that is gonna be using some great materials like the infused charcoal, and that you're gonna keep a great hygiene for your tooth because they're so important, you're gonna find this ones here. So great deal or great opportunity in here. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.